I personally develop a lot my craft, and I'm very hands-on the shape, so I'm very couturier in my methodology. Again, I love that. I love the human body structure. And I think it's absolutely incredible that creating fashion, you're dressing something as amazing as a human body. I think we're very lucky that human figure is very interesting with the different parts of the body and how it generated a wardrobe, different typologies of clothes. Fashion should bring together oppositions and we should show the different possibilities that one can bring and develop. But I think it's very important to not be scared to evolve.
Merci.